सर ट्रेलर के एक खास फ्रेम में एक किताब की कॉपी चल रही है व्हिच आई एम इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग इट इज सीक्रेट बाय रोंडा बॉयन। क्या उस किताब का या उसमें लिखी बातों कुछ खास कनेक्शन हमें फिल्म में देखने को
जी,
मिलेगा?
बहुत लंबा कनेक्शन है, पूरा ट्रैक है उस चीज़ को लेकर कि एक जो हमारी आसिन मैडम जो है, वो हमारी फिल्म की हीरोइन है, वो जो हमेशा उस चीज़ में मानती है कि जो होना है वो होकर ही रहता है। जो सीक्रेट जो किताब है उसका भी वही फिलॉसफी है, वो किताब की फिलॉसफी वही है। शी ऑलवेज बिलीव्स इन दैट बुक, और जब वो चीज़ उसे नहीं लगती है तो वो जला देती है। दैट्स द पूरा ट्रैक है, पूरी फिल्म में चलेगा वो।
अभिषेक, सोनिका है। हाय। मैं पूछना चाहूँगी कि लंबू जी के साथ आपने डांस किया तो बहुत ही लोगों को बहुत पसंद आया। आप लोग के जो केमिस्ट्री थी आपके और बच्चन जी की जो थी बहुत ही पसंद आई लोगों को। अब आपने जब ऋषि सर के जी साथ डांस किया है,
टिंगू जी क्यों नहीं कहा?
टिंगू सॉरी, मुझे लगा आपको बुरा ना लगे इसलिए नहीं बोला।
मतलब आपके मन में था वो?
जी
चोर चोर था तुम्हारे मन में?
तो उनके साथ डांस करने पर एनर्जी वाइज कैसा लगा आपको इस बार, कैसा एक्सपीरियंस था?
It was a dream of mine. अगर आप मेरे जनरेशन के जितने भी एक्टर्स हैं जो बड़े हुए हैं चिंटू अंकल को देखते हुए, अगर आप उनसे ये सवाल पूछेंगे, मेरा मानना है कि इस फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में आज भी nobody can perform a song like चिंटू अंकल. एंड इट वॉज माई ड्रीम. और मुझे याद है हम दिल्ली 6 की शूटिंग कर रहे थे और राकेश के साथ मैंने बहुत झगड़ा किया था कि भैया मुझे कम से कम एक गाना तो दे दो. सो ही गेव अस अ ब्यूटीफुल सॉन्ग रहना तू, बट दैट वाज इन द बैकग्राउंड. तो मुझे ये मौका मिला नहीं कि उनके साथ नाच सकूं. एंड वन ऑफ माई कंडीशंस टू उमेश वॉज कि एक नहीं, मुझे कम से कम 2 गाने चाहिए इनके साथ. सो थैंकफुली वी ऑल गॉट वेरी लकी बिकॉज वी गॉट टू परफॉर्म विद हु वी कंसिडर टू बी द बेस्ट. तो बहुत मजा आया एंड ही इज स्टिल द बेस्ट. ही इज फैंटास्टिक.
ट्रेलर बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. कांग्रेचुलेशन टू द टीम और
Thank
आपको
you.
भी बहुत कांग्रेचुलेशन. आपने 15 साल पूरे के बॉलीवुड में.
धन्यवाद.
जो आपने अभी जो आपका कैरेक्टर, हमने बाहर पोस्टर देखे तो वहां पे लिखा है अ सेल्फिश सन, लेकिन यहाँ ट्रेलर में हम देख रहे हैं तो एक लॉयल, एक बहुत जिम्मेदार एक बेटे की छवि दिख रही है. तो आप बताइए आपका कैरेक्टर जो है, क्या उसमें मिक्स शेड्स हैं? आपके कैरेक्टर के बारे में कुछ बताइए.
जी देखिए, कहानी जो है देयर हैज टू बी एन आर्क, देयर हैज टू बी अ ग्रोथ ऑफ अ कैरेक्टर. जब ये फिल्म शुरू होती है एवरीबडी हैज प्रॉब्लम्स. मेरा इनके साथ प्रॉब्लम है, इनका मेरे साथ प्रॉब्लम है, इनका इनके साथ प्रॉब्लम है, इनका मेरे साथ प्रॉब्लम है. थ्रू द मूवी हाउ थिंग्स चेंज, ये कहानी है जैसे उमेश ने आपसे पहले कहा था. सो आई थिंक द मूवी स्टार्ट्स ऑफ एज अ वेरी सेल्फिश पर्सन एंड बाय द एंड ऑफ इट होपफुली ही रिडीम्स हिमसेल्फ. मुझे लगता है जैसे उमेश ने पहले भी कहा कि हर कोई जो इस फिल्म को देखने जाएगा, आई थिंक वंस दे कम आउट दे विल क्वेश्चन देमसेल्व्स. I remember telling Umesh the first time he narrated the film to me that the first thing I did when I heard the script is actually went back and hugged my parents. कुछ ऐसे ही भावनाएं हैं इस फिल्म में and I hope that's what the audience can do as well. It makes you realize, I'm sure for Chintu uncle and Supriya ji, they had a different emotion and a different journey. But from, I can speak for Asin if I may, as children, it really makes you question कि what all we are doing for our parents. आज के माहौल में I feel there's so much competition, भाग दौड़ इतनी हो गई है कि we forget the small gestures, just going back, spending time with your parents, उनके साथ बातचीत करें, खाना खाएं. We forget these things in today's generation, and I really hope that after seeing this film, we can make a change in that.
असिन जी, मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि इट्स गुड टू हैव यू बैक. इतना साल जो आपका जो गैप रहा, 1-1.5 साल तक, व्हाट वाज द रीजन बिहाइंड योर गैप? क्या आपने ऐसी कोई स्क्रिप्ट आपको ऐसी पसंद नहीं आई थी जो इतनी पावरफुल हुई?
She was working on All Is Well. She was concentrating completely on All Is Well.
I agree to that. मेरा सवाल डायरेक्टर से है. स्मृति ईरानी के एग्जिट के बाद कितने चेंजेस किए थे प्लॉट में सुप्रिया जी के कैरेक्टर्स के?
बिल्कुल भी नहीं किए, क्योंकि स्क्रिप्ट को कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ मैं कभी करता ही नहीं हूँ. तो एक भी ऐसा कोई चेंज नहीं किया है स्क्रिप्ट में. जो पहले था वैसे ही स्क्रिप्ट है. इनफैक्ट थोड़ी बेटर हुई है स्क्रिप्ट.
Supriya ji, my question is for you. This film is all about family. So talking about your real life family, Shahid is gonna get married very soon. So what are the preparations like, if you would like to share?
I'll talk about the film. My family in the film, as Abhishek was just saying, that the children will learn from this film. I think the parents will also learn that how many things we do wrong, and we should not take our children for granted. So that's something that we as parents will take back. As per your question of Shahid's marriage, there is lots of things happening, but it's like a normal wedding house, I suppose.
मैं एक प्रश्न पूछना चाहता हूँ, आप लोगों को एतराज़ तो नहीं है यहाँ कोई? मेरा प्रश्न अभिषेक बच्चन साहब से है। प्रश्न ये है कि ये जो पीछे जो मेरे एक तराजू जैसी चीज़ में, सुप्रिया जी को तो छोड़िए, मेरा भार उन्होंने कैसे अपने कंधों पे उठाया? बोलिए।
अभी झूठ भी नहीं बोल सकता हूँ चिंटू अंकल। वो क्या है कि the night before I came to your house, you fed me nicely. The night before we were all having dinner at Chintu uncle's house, and we got nice non-veg food. से तंदुरुस्ती बढ़ी हम लोग की. Next day when I came and I stood there, then there you were, Supriya ji also. I hope you all were comfortable, but all because of you, Chintu uncle. Yeah.
Abhishek, you know, both Mr. Arish Kapoor and you are very active on Twitter, most celebrities. And what I think even Mr. Kapoor had once wanted to quit Twitter because of the kind of abuses and the trolling that happens. You recently faced something like that, and you reacted to a situation where you were deeply hurt by comments made. Do you sometimes think it becomes extremely difficult because as celebrities you're supposed to show a certain amount of patience and interact with your fans, but then you kind of also become vulnerable and you're unable to show your emotions properly, and you can't lose your, you know.
You're referring to that gentleman who tweeted about my daughter?
Absolutely.
Okay, first of all, I wasn't deeply hurt. This is something I'm very used to. I've always had this attitude that if you can't stand the heat, get out of the kitchen. If you're going to be available on a public platform, you have to be ready for the brickbats as well as the bouquets. And I'm fine with that. And I've always taken it in my stride and very healthily. In fact, if there are people who speak negatively, I take it to note and try and see how I can improve myself. But yes, my family is strictly off limits. I do understand both my parents and my wife are public figures, but my daughter is strictly off limits. I'm not here to talk about her. And nor do I appreciate anybody making detrimental comments towards her. So I think I just said what I had to say. The gentleman was very kind enough to remove the tweet, and he also realized that maybe he had gone slightly too far, and he very kindly removed the tweet and apologized, and that was very much appreciated. I think when you're in the public domain, it's important to allow freedom of speech. It's your constitutional right. But I'm allowed to take objection to what you say. And since it is my platform and he tweeted something to me, I replied back to him. It was a message that I did directly to him. I didn't do it publicly. And that was it. It's the end of the matter. And if you're on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram, this is going to happen, and it's healthy and it's fine and it's fun sometimes.
Abhishek, it's a T-series film. I mean, anybody
well
can...
done.
Anybody can answer that. That's open to all. You know, music is an important part of the film, and that is what pulls people to the theaters. Is there some song, that's going to be like a chart buster, according to
Well,
you?
as people associated with the film, we think every song should be that. At the end of the day, the audience decides. I'm very confident. I think it's a fantastic album. I think Bhushan has a fantastic ear for music, coupled with Umesh. I think they've done a brilliant job. All the composers that have worked on the film have done a great job. And music is an integral part of our films. It's part of our culture. We have a musical culture. And it's only normal that that is going to come down in our films. It is a very important part, and I'm very confident of the album that we have. I think we have a mix of everything, all kinds of songs. And I really do. I'm very excited about the album because I'm dying to get my hands on it so I can hear it. They're wonderful songs, and I think you'll enjoy them.
आप आदर्श बेटे हैं वैसे तो हम सब लोगों के सामने. That's the image that we have of the relationship that you share with your father. But has there been any instance? Has there been any instance जब आपके और मिस्टर बच्चन के बीच में कभी differences हुए हो?
First, let me just think how she's going to make a headline tomorrow. No. क्योंकि वो मुझे बेटा मानते ही नहीं है. He treats me like his friend. उन्होंने मुझे बचपन में ये सिखाया था कि उनके जो पिताजी थे, उन्होंने जो मेरे दादाजी हैं, उन्होंने उनसे कहा था कि जिस दिन आपके बेटे आपके जूते पहनना शुरू कर दे, he stops being your son and he becomes your friend. And ever since I think I was 10 or 11, I started wearing my dad's shoes. And You know, metaphorically, I still haven't managed to fill his shoes, but I'm trying. But my dad is my friend. So, okay, you don't want the answer? Oh, okay. So, so no, he never disagrees. He's very supporting. And whatever I do, if he might have a difference of opinion, he still gives me the opportunity to explain why I chose something and what my feelings were, and then he trusts me. So no, we haven't had any disagreement.
Rishi ji, you with regards to Ranbir, कभी हुआ है ऐसा कुछ?
Have you ever disagreed with Ranbir?
I've never agreed only.
Unfortunately, all is not well at FTII. You must have heard about the student protests that are happening at FTII. Would you like to make any comment on that? Because the students, I'm sure you're aware of why they're protesting, because they feel
I don't think, Beverly, this would be the appropriate platform to do that.
Okay.
You know, being here to release the trailer of a film is not the right platform. If we meet at a more somber occasion, I think that would be a better platform to answer.
As we can see, I would like to know what is the time frame, because हमने देखा है बहुत limited costumes में हमने characters को देखे हैं on screen. So क्या time frame है? Is it just 1-2 days?
No, time frame is 48 hours.
The days, the story.
Yeah, story is 48 hours. 2 days, yeah.
क्या आपके माइंड में कभी ये था कि आप अमित सर और अभिषेक बच्चन को ये मूवी में कास्ट करें एक साथ?
नहीं.
ये आइडिया कभी?
नहीं था.
Chintu uncle, when you see the film, you'll realize that nobody else can play this role but him. And when Umesh first narrated the script to me, even before we finished the narration, we both already knew that we wanted to go beg Chintu uncle to do the film.
When I was narrating at that time only, I was telling him कि ये चिंटू जी ही करेंगे. तो पहले से वो तय था.